Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. It is raining outside my kitchen right now. I'm going to make a fish soup, very simple fish soup. I'm actually currently boiling some ikan bilis broth. As you can see from here, I'm boiling some ikan bilis broth for about 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm cooking the ikan bilis for about 5 minutes only. If not, it's going to be very fishy. I have some tiger grouper fish slices here and some dumpling which we bought over from Sabah. So let's quickly prep the fish a little bit. I'm going to give it a bit of fine salt and a bit of white pepper. Now, you can put a bit of egg white if you want. Yeah, that will make it more tender. All right, this is cooking the ikan bilis for about 5 minutes. I'm going to take it out. I also put in some ginger just now. So now our broth is already ready to be used. Next thing, I'm going to cook the dumpling. This will take a couple of minutes, yeah? I'm going to add in some ginger slices to further reduce the fishiness from the ikan bilis stock, yeah? Right, this is after about 5-6 minutes cooking. The dumpling almost done. You can see the dumpling changing color. Now we are going to give it some seasoning here. Some fine salt. Bit of premium Vietnamese fish sauce. Few dashes of white pepper. Then I'm going to put in the fish. And just cook it for approximately 1 minute. You don't need to cook the fish for a long time. Actually, usually when I'm making fish soup, I will be putting in some veggie, but because my mother-in-law already cooked some veggie, so I skip the veggie for this soup, yeah? If not, I will be putting in any greens actually. I have Chinese cabbage. This is after about 1 minute. You can definitely see the fish turning beautiful whitish color. Let me show you the fish. Look at the fish. See how beautiful it is. Beautiful whitish color. Tiger grouper is one of my most favorite food. Most favorite fish. Okay, now before serving, I'm going to give it some fried shallot and fried shallot oil. And our fish soup today is ready. Yeah? If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page, click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.